this would be a good student housing rental, man.
Put this in the 40s and the family just had it up until now. So it went through 2-3 generations. He's the last one. So.
Super unique flow to it.
Right?
Yeah.
So the story behind the house is on the historical register. It was put on there in 1982, I believe. It was built in the early 40s, and I believe this was the original house right here, and then they started adding on.
Interesting.
So the lot goes all the way back. It's a deep lot, almost an acre. It's all overgrown, but I think it stretches to the other side of the block.
Wow.
Basically where that white light pole is, all the way back there.
Dude, this would be a good student housing rental, man.
And that's what he was doing it. He was actually renting it out to some students. He was just ready to cash out of the deal and kind of move on.
That's what's up.
So, yeah, matter of fact, the last tenants were college students, so that's why, you got the current. He said the bar was set up right there.
Yeah?
And, yeah. So,
Oh, yeah. They go in, huh?
yep. I was like, man, if I had a house like this back in college, I would have been acting the fool too.
Been like king, huh?
Right? Like $500-600 a month each? Yeah, I'll close this up.
What are you pulling as far as the ARV on this one, based on comps?
ARV puts it in a range between 250 to 270.
Damn!
And that will be in pristine condition. And you're looking at, there's a house that just sold, I say 3 months ago, down around the corner for 280. Another one sold for 320. I should have a CMA up here I can share with you.
Yeah, let's check it. Right on the edge, dude. Right behind 5 Points, huh?
Yep. So good walking distance for all that.
Yep.
You already pulled the CMA, so I'm about to forward this over to you. What's the best email for me to send it to you?
Send it to ben@cashpropertyoffers.com. Glitter on the ceiling. Interesting.
Right? So that's everywhere.
Huh. This little area is the only place where it seems like it gets a little wonky, huh? This thing?
Let's go upstairs first before we speak on that. But yeah, like kind of, it has like this kind of
Sauce kind of dips, huh? You can just feel it.
Yep. It's like I think it could be patched and be fine. I don't see it being an issue where the house is going to fall.
No, for sure. I mean, obviously, if you're going to flip in, inspection, all that, build a pier or something under it.
Right. So, yeah, I guess we could walk through downstairs a little more. There's a dining room down there that they converted to a bedroom. This is the master. And so when the parents got older, they kind of converted her bedroom to downstairs.
So it was their mother's house, and then once she passed away, they rented it for a season?
Yeah, well, she died, what was that, 3 years? 3 years ago. And so, yeah, he rented it out for a little bit. He's over in Atlanta, not really managing it well.
Yeah.
So, tired landlord.
Right. That's golden. That's golden.
And at first,
old thick carpet, dude. They used to make this carpet thick back in the days, huh?
it's that pad under there. And I'm wondering if there's wood floors under here.
Wouldn't doubt it.
But yeah, so the family built this in the 40s, and the family just had it up until, now. So it went through 2, 3 generations. He's the last one. And so the historic thing, is that a big issue with renovations?
I mean,
On the outside, right?
yeah, you just gotta, you gotta have a licensed contractor for sure. No specialty fly-by-nights,
Yeah. Yeah, I wouldn't touch it. So,
Yeah, bro.
but yeah, so.
I like it.
Oh, we haven't seen that huge bathroom in the back, which is a really interesting flow up here,
So
right?
this almost could.
Yeah, this is like a sitting room, or it could be another room.
Could be a small room, huh?
Yeah, you should be able to fit a twin in there, and
College kid that pays $50, $100 less than everyone else gets a small room.
right? I mean, because yeah, it has a closet, so yeah, it's a room. So that's 1, 2, 3. They have the dining room they converted to
You got
one.
central going throughout? Central AC?
I
Gotta be
think
right.
so. Yeah, yeah, because the registers. Yeah.
Right at
Yeah.
right here.
Yeah, then this is that area right over the kitchen when we're looking up at the little box type addition. And I think this is where, of course, this is going to throw off all the retail buyers.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
So I pulled up the CMA here. I think I told them 260 if it was pristine. I'm talking about brand new hardwood floors, UV, all the windows replaced, everything tightened up. So he's trying to walk away. He said 200 is his pain point. And I think from the public records, he has around 56,000 on the mortgage. So I think he took out a mortgage, what was that, 2 years ago? I believe for about 100,000, and it's down to like 50. So that's kind of the numbers on it there.
He wants 200 for it?
Yeah, they had it listed for 275, dropped it to 265. Yeah, because I remember going after this listing back in October, and I was even thinking 215 back then, but without even seeing the inside. And now you look at the inside. 180 would be nice.
Right. That's a lot of freaking house, bro.